Hey guys, we are back once again with another tutorial video using Hostinger, an affordable and beginner-friendly web hosting provider. What we're shooting for today is learning how to transfer another domain towards Hostinger. We are going to start by navigating towards the domains button. Go ahead and click on that all the way to the left. By clicking on the transfers button, we will be taken onto the screen where our transferring process will begin. Go ahead and click on transfer domain to Hostinger in order for us to start. There are a few requirements to be met before your transfer can be made. The first requirement is that 60 days must have passed since its last registration. Next is that the domain needs to be unlocked, and we would need to obtain an authorization code in order for our transfer to be complete. Afterwards, we have to navigate towards where our active domain is currently located. In this case, we are going to be using Bluehost as our domain origin. After you've logged in your Bluehost account, we will go on ahead to its domain section in order to unlock our domain and prepare it for transfer. After you've chosen which domain to transfer, you must click on the transfer or move domain section of the screen, then toggle off the domain locked button. Right after is how you can request for your authorization code to confirm the transfer later on. You will be taken to a page where you will acknowledge your transfer agreements. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the continue transfer button. You have to take note that the authorization code takes around 3 days to be sent to your email. Once we have our authorization code, we can go back to our Hostinger transfer screen and paste in our domain name that we wanted to transfer. Then click on transfer. Normally you would get a message that says ready for transfer, but for now our domain, or this one, is not yet registered. You can click on get domain, and this window will pop up after you click on it. From here on, you can choose your payment methods as well as your billing period, and you may choose whatever option you want there. Then you will need to paste your EPP or authorization code onto an input box like so. Right after is your options regarding your DNS records, whether you would like it to stay as it is or change it into Hostinger's name servers and DNS records. You would only need to keep your existing name servers if you still have websites operating under its former domain. Once you have migrated them towards Hostinger, you can always click on the Hostinger name servers option instead. Finally, click on Transfer Domain to finish. The domain transfer will take at least 5 to 7 business days to complete. After that, your transfer will be finished. That is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for tuning in.